Come test drive the 2020 Ram 4500. Ram 4500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, power windows, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power door locks, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, cloth upholstery. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.